Cut. Something replaced the lime V. You think is a freaking joke?
A dry washer? It's that dry washer drying a clothes?
It's okay. Let's get the dry washer out of here and then we'll do take 69.